More in over a year. The last time that they did that was back in the All-Filipino Conference. King para may tabla ang ating talaan ngayon.
Itong Alaska is going to their isolation place for the last 3 or 4 plays. Ngayon, very successful sila doon. Si Kenneth Moreno, si Jericho Dillera, import ang katapat niya ngayon.
Lusot si Carlos Strong. Kinuha pa niya sa kabila. 3-on-3. Kurt King sees the lane. Yes! And one.
Pinunod si Coach Louie itong si Patrick Fran para palitan si Jerome na may 3 foul na ngayon.
Hindi siya natakot. Ejercito, nilaglag si Carlos Strong. He goes up there. A great super full Casil Tapal ability. He's only averaging about less than a shot block a game as you see Jericho Dillera with a nice semi-hook today. On the floor, Aliado is in the game now. Side shot, and Don Aliado is on the board early in this game. Shirts are running. Hawkins, tuloy-tuloy sa basket. And the Hawk gives Alaska 4 points in the back game. Sabi nga natin, in over 5 months, that's the record. There's Hawkins again.
And it looks like...
Ayun ang tira ni Carlos Strong. Yun ay ng battlefield. Oh, what a pass! That is the kind of player Kenneth Durant. Kurt King with offensive rebound. Tries to make room and he gets the basket.
Alaska is working.
Strong na double team. Amasa sa labas. And gets a PLDT, IDD long distance. Laro. We haven't seen today. Yes, to take a look at his PLDT long distance shot. Si Vic Pablo also did delay. Samantala si Kurt King, hindi na daw kailangan bumunot man ng player. 10 minutes na lamang sa unang yugto. Dillera faking, turning around. What a shot. Ang hirap nun, ang kontra-tiempo yun eh. Jumper and Don Camaso is red hot. And again, Camaso's the open man again from the other corner. Wala. He gets it back. Camaso goes to the hole. Don Ken that pass. Another turnover. Lead pass. Hindi nakatingin si Torrentes. Tuloy-tuloy Kiravena. 2 mistakes. But only 2.7 turnovers. Here's that pass. Kita mo, parang pabanjing-banjing si Aliado at saka si Doremdes. Nahuli na yung kanilang pagdepensa. Patuloy dun sa kanilang play na parang ito, maganda yung pasa this time ni Kurt King. Pero yung kanina yung nahuhuli yung pasa nila na hira sa labas ni Strong. Carlos Strong with 11%. So, hindi naman kasamaan.
And that's about decent para sa kanya. Uy, Rocky Santos.
Talk about decent. Turnovers. Here's Abarientos with the left hand. Malakas. Gets his own miss. Binigay kay Santos and that's what we were saying. Here's Pablo. Mali na tumatao. Patay.
Alam niya.
Nakalibre ang Alaska doon. Here's Rodney Santos. Yes. Rodney Santos with...
Ito sila Rodney Santos nagdi-deliver.
Oo. Lusot si Carlos Strong sa depensa. Splitting the double team. Kings. Mababay. Here's Santos floating. He has 10 in the game. What a quarter. Ball and the whole that one. King offensive rebound. Yes. And you talk about the intent to Abarientos. Floater off the glass. Ako na, sabi niya. And will Alaska get to heaven? Well, not if Camaso can help it here. Hamid pick overall back in 95.
Ano rin to, no? Batang FEU din to, si Rodney Santos.
Became a free agent at nakuha ng Alaska Milk and everything else is history as we take a look at 13. Katang tao ni Dimko. Here's Kurt King again. Quick hands by Johnny. Binigay kay Santos. 12 in the game for the slasher. Delikado itong unit ng Alaska Milk pagdating sa takbuhan. Rodney Santos on the left side na tumapos ng fast break. On the right side was Kenneth Durante. So wala ka
start ka, mahihirapan ka talaga. Recover. Naku.
They move it around. Santos again slashing to the lane and he is 15. What an incredible game.
That's why
going strong, missing that shot. He picks up the loose ball. And Strong is lucky. Ken Strong. And there's a tap by Rodney Santos. Again, anticipating that one. Pass. Hawkins breaking, going up. Bang! Hawkins, Pirani Cabarientos para sa Alaska Met. Good shots from Carlos Strong.
Matindi, 4 kagad. Ina-isolate pa siya ngayon.
Kita mo naman tira yan. Oh my God. Woo! Dos Mariosep.
Grabe, iniliyan.
He's ahead. Rafael, and that would be an easy layup para kay Edward Guiño.
Them commit the turnover.
Pablo, yes. Mobiline, here's that one-on-one play by Johnny. Head and shoulder fake. Andun pa rin si Ejercito, but watch the move with the left hand. Unbelievable shot. PLDT IDD.
Pero baliktad ang nangyari, no? Si Johnny talaga nag-one-on-one.
Yes. Finally, si Jericho Diniera gets
Against one ito.
patay ka na dyan.
Ayun, tapos na. Tapos ang kwento.
And Codiniera isinipan. Sakli.
Para sa kanila.
Saka yung depensa nila, oh, yan, may mga nalilibreng ganyan eh.
Oo, marami. Dahil dinodouble team na sila eh. Nag-converge, doon sa gitna.
Ayan na naman si Hawkins. Yang. Hawkins with back-to-back. He's beaten Alaska in this conference only once in 7 games. Well, that's a good start. Patrick Fran. Ang pataba ng baboy. Pero dito sa laban na to, kailangan na mobiline puntos.
Ayun.
Left side, Ejercito will pull the trigger. Yes!
Tingin ko rito, na-twist yung ankle niya, no? Pagbagsak niya.
Shot niya, sumingit si Duremdes. Nako.
Yun.
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Samantala, itong laban na ito. Ayun na naman si Rodney Santos. He had the most product pass. Rebound, napulot ni Carlos Strong. Butik na maagaw. Codiniera, ball fake, running shot, difficult shot. Oh, what a shot.
Nakahiga na si Jay.
Kirk King going up, yes, and one.
Manageable na manageable.
Tayo nito.
Ayun.
Para kay Patrick Fan at the PLDT IDD Alaska. Of course, coming into this game after a loss, and there's Carlos Strong putting down the... This is a backdoor play. Oh,
What a play.
What a play to start this fourth quarter. 19 in the game para kay Rodney Santos. He's 9 out of 10 from the field. Only minsan first option na si Santos, no?
Can you imagine, Santos at saka Kenneth Duremdes.
Here's Santos again. Takes the shot again and gets it again.
Alam mo yung tinatawag natin.
Inside shot, yes. Carlos Strong right there. Here's Ravenna. Missing that one. Patrick Fran off a tap.
Pero dito, maganda umpisa niya para dito sa fourth quarter.
Ano to? Iha! Ayun. And he goes the reverse on our PLDT IDD slow-mo replay up to 7. Patrick Fran, he has been deadly from the outside, although mintis ka doon. Carlos Strong goes up. Yes! What a quarter.
Isang puntos na lang.
Oy! Naagaw ni Rodney Santos. Quick hand. He's away! 23 in the game for the slasher. Hindi ko ma-imagine itong laro ni Rodney Santos. He has only missed one shot today. Amarientos from the side. What a big shot. Sa ibabaw ng dalawa yun, ha?
Dalawa yung...
Again, top down to 5. Lusot si Gahol.
Ayan naman, off the bench. Walang pressure. Tinatawag nating unforced error yun. Yung kaling
Mobiline ang bola.
talo sa size kasi rito, yung Alaska, malalaki ang mga mobiline. Ayun. Nakuha na sila ng offensive rebound kung titikinig.
They kick it out. Ravenna faking a 3. Coming closer. No. Offline. Loose ball. Kirk King is down. He's on the floor. Sumira si Dorentes. Yes! What a shot!
Malapit na at pwedeng magkaroon siya ng bagong career high ngayong gabing ito.
Oh. Yeah. Turns around. Takes the shot. Tough shot para kay Pablo Patrick Fran. That's 11 sa kanilang shot clock. Isolated. Johnny turns around. The defense was there. What a shot! What a shot! Woo! Carlos Strong to the basket. Missing that one. It rolled out. Inilunga pa.
Ayun, pasok na kay Johnny. So, parang ano na yan, insurance basket na.
Reboy Tengsu.
Standing ulit.
Yes. PLDT long distance. Sablay. Tapik. Napupunta kay Strong with 2 seconds to go. Naagawan pa ni Amarientos, and that'll do it here.